Hey. Yuck. Meron na ba? Meron na. Ito mo. Sabay tayo. Sabay tayo. Sabay tayo. Faint line eh. Huh? Lord, sana naman. Ano yun? Dapat isa pa. Bili tayo ng isa. Kunti lang. It's not...
see. Oh, positive siya.
Positive na. Pero light. Positive tayo, guys.
5 minutes.
Heartbeat, Lord. Heartbeat. Heartbeat tayo. Heartbeat. So, well... Positive tayo. First step. Second step. Heartbeat. Third step. Healthy baby, Lord. I-mute natin. I-mute natin. Yan pa. Super light. I wanna test again. No? Let's test again. No? Ay, aren't you happy? Mukha siya hindi masaya.
Yan ba yun?
Ha? Light. Super light.
Wala pa. 5 minutes na tayo.
Hintayin namin 5 minutes eh. Balik kami, okay? Okay, after 5 minutes, more than 5 minutes. Here it's... Kita niyo. Okay, ayan o, faint line. Should we test again? Tingnan ko yung mukha mo. Dapat nasa frame yung mukha. Kaya yan.
Just walk out.
Just walk out. Kaya pala ayaw niya i-send to. Yung mukha niya. Okay guys, so that's it. Take 2! Sabi ni Lord, take 2. And this time it's gonna be perfect. Kunyari malungkot na tayo. Kunyari malungkot ha. Walang reaction. Yung muko ka na, dire-diretso dun, dire-diretso tayo, mabilis. Kape muna tayo. Halika dito. Maglalagay lang kami ng ilaw. Okay. O, tignan natin. Hi. Let's look at this all together dito ah.
Pwede!
Oo, Michael. Hindi. Tinignan niya na yun. Sure na ako. Oh, wait lang. Nasa na. Dito ka, dito ka. Yan. Ate, tignan natin. Sure na to. Tignan. Pregnancy test. 9. Ano, ako uli? Oh no, grabe. Ako na naman. Ready. Ready. Set. Go. Para magkaalaman na. Ate, buntis ka. Buntis ka na naman. Faded. Ganyan talaga. Faded. I knew it. Yeah. Sabi ko na eh. Yes! Hanali ka dito. Ano makita ko? Buntis nga. Ano buntis? Yun. Ano buntis? Yun. Sabi yun. Yun ulit. Grabe. Lord, sa heartbeat naman. Magte-try kami mag-test ulit. Pero, ayan na yun. Kasi,
diretso na kayo sa
OB? Yes! Thank you, Lord! Oo! Okay, my heartbeat, Lord. Heartbeat and healthy baby. Take 2 daw. Ano sila? Gusto niyo na makita? Ulit? Yes, sabay tayo. Yung line? Oo ba? Yay!
Coincidentally, and since we're in Manila, we were able to attend Mochi's christening, and at the same time, we're just very happy that we get to spend quality time with our family and our friends. At the reception, we finally got to taste their food. And hopefully, God willing, madala namin ang Get Coffee sa Cebu. Stocks para sa live selling ng KK&Co.
Hi everybody! Good morning! Today is Tuesday. We found out that I'm pregnant last Saturday, March 2. We arrived here in Cebu and I suddenly become so, hindi anxious, but really, I want to find out if I'm already really pregnant. Because up until now, parang hindi pa rin ako makapaniwala na I'm pregnant. Today, hindi available yung OB ko dito sa malapit na hospital near our place. Sa Thursday pa. Today is Tuesday. And then, alam mo yung biglang uminit yung ulo ko na hindi pwede. Dapat bukas na. And then I had to reflect. Bakit ba ako nagmamadali? I really don't know. You know, yung feeling na you just want to find out kung to double check, triple check talaga bang pregnant ako. I just feel that I needed to know how many months na siya. Tapos, but also, at the back of my head, gusto ko rin na ma-check pag medyo mas matagal-tagal na para may heartbeat na. Mga ganun ba? You know what I mean? So, since hindi ko rin alam, hindi ako, sorry for my nails. Tinanggal ko talaga siya. I don't know if you can relate. Fake nails yan. Tapos, hindi ko na talaga kaya. Tinanggal ko na. So, hindi ko lang alam kung ako lang ba yun or is this normal na I'm excited, but at the same time, I'm kinakabahan. But I want this pregnancy to be stress-free. Yung mga anxieties ko, wala muna yan. Like, ako kasi I think way ahead. Like, I think how to raise my child, what's the environment. Siyempre, especially cleanliness. You know what I mean? So, I learned from my previous pregnancy. So, ngayon, medyo chill na tayo ngayon. Okay? We won't be affected by all the worries of the world. I really have to start moving kasi it's almost 9 and magpapack pa ako. This time, I want an active pregnant woman. I don't like to lie down. I'm not gonna jump. But gusto ko regular stretching, walking. Gusto ko ng healthier way of conceiving a child. Even my food intake, tinatry ko talagang maging like as healthy as I can be. Yun. So, decaf, if makaya pang maka-decaf. Pag hindi na, wala magagawa tayo, matigas ulo. No vices. Well, wala naman talaga. I don't drink. I don't smoke anymore. Like, tagal-tagal na. Iniinom ko ito. Good morning! So, the day has come. I've silently waited for this day. So, we are going to my doctor today. I don't want to be too happy. Iba yung feeling when that happened to you. Ngayon, parang God gave you a second chance. So happy. Bawal tamarin magdasal. That's usually my problem. Nagiging complacent ka na in your relationship with Him. Most times that happens to me. So right now, I'm praying na my heartbeat. Ultimately, I'm praying na it's healthy. My baby is healthy. That's the style right now. Morning! Good morning, everyone. Hindi mo masasabing kasi ang taba mo.
More about this in our next vlog, Heartbeat and who came to visit. Can't wait to share with you more about this. Check out our description box. See you!